Hello everyone, welcome to Data Empire. In this session of basic electronic and component testing, we will discuss about diodes and learn what a diode is, how does it look like, the function of a diode, and the testing of diodes using multimeter. For a hardware repairing expert, knowledge about this component's features and its testing procedures are very important. Diode is a semiconductor component that acts as a one-way switch for the current. Diode is a semiconductor device which is made by connecting two semiconductor materials. There are two terminals or electrodes in which one is anode and the other is cathode. In our previous sessions, we have discussed about diodes, its appearance, its functioning and testing it using a multimeter. Now we are going to enter into its practical session. Here we have some different types of diodes. These are light emitting diode. These are SMD diode. These are Zener diode. And these are regular carbon diode. We know diode contains bipolar junction, which we are now going to understand in detail. Here, in the diode, we can see a white colored line, which denotes the sides of cathode.